experience that you receive when you take delivery of your new Nova Caravan begins long before. From the moment you step into your dealer's premises, you will be met with warmth and a friendly, professional manner. At Nova Caravans, we believe in quality before quantity, and we know that you will receive the best advice for your choice of caravan from each and every one of our dealers and their staff. Headed by the owners and directors of Nova Caravans, we have a staff that is willing to go the extra yard for all of our customers. This is a family-based business and you will be welcomed into our family. Your satisfaction is our priority at Nova Caravans. From the moment we receive your order, it's dealt with by our qualified and trained drafting staff. All plans and options lists are expertly detailed for your satisfaction. In fact, we will not commence construction on your new caravan until you have authorised the plans. Like all structures, a caravan needs a solid foundation, and that is why we choose Preston chassis to exclusively design and engineer our chassis. Preston is a local Melbourne-based business that has been owned and operated by the same people since its inception in 1974. As the next few slides will show, Preston chassis are a major operator in this industry. Preston use only quality Supergal products for our chassis, using a combination of box steel and C-channel members. Supergal is a product which is galvanised on both the internal and external sections. It has a 33% higher tensile strength than mild steel and is suitable for our harsh Australian conditions. The chassis are fully welded by qualified professionals. Our standard suspensions are the Alco Rocker Roller independent suspension for the Pride and Vita models, or the patented Simplicity load sharing independent suspension for the Terra Sports. Our Reviver model uses the traditional beam and leaf suspension. As an option, you may choose to select the Alco Off-Road suspension or the Cruise Master suspension. All of our chassis feature a Z section for a precise and sturdy wall mounting, along with many other standard features, like the drop steel step, twin zinc plated 9 kg gas rings, pictured here with the jerry can holder which is standard on our Terra Sports model, a tubular bumper bar with a heavy duty movable spare wheel carrier. The Pride, Vita and Terra Sports bumper bars are fitted with a third arm for extra support. Twin water tanks are protected by galvanised steel. The Alco drop-down adjustable corner stabilisers are also fitted as standard, along with the heavy-duty Alco couplings. The Alco off-road coupling is featured as a standard on our Terra Sports models. As an option, you may choose either the Highland off-road coupling or the Hitchmaster off-road coupling. Once completed, the chassis is then moved into the paint shop, where the A-frame is fully undercoated prior to spraying. Some people choose a fully hot dipped galvanised chassis, however this is an option that is dwindling in numbers due to the quality of Supergal. Upon arrival at Nova Caravans, the chassis is thoroughly inspected. Preparation takes place for the plumbing. The galvanised wheel box is lined and then fitted. Prior to the 12mm waterproof flooring being installed, the entire top section of the chassis is prepared with a silicone-based adhesive for strength, flexibility and durability. The floor is then screwed at approximately 300mm centres, giving you maximum strength. The Terra Sports floor is galvanised lined. The Terra Sports also features the Simplicity suspension and fully protected water tanks. All joins are fully sanded for a quality finish. We use only quality European Gerfloor Texline vinyl flooring across the range, which is finished off with precision. All wheel arches are also covered with the Girfloor product. All frames are created using our AutoCAD plans and jigs. Quality Meranti timber, which is flexible, strong and durable hardwood, is used throughout our construction. Here you'll see the trenching being performed for the fitting of electrical cables. In this slide, you will see the gusted upright standard in our Terra Sports and the use of the window jig for precision and accuracy. All Nova Caravans are glued, screwed, bolted and stapled. Each pair of frames is made simultaneously to ensure complete accuracy. The ply and laminate wall sections are glued and stapled in place. The frames are then expertly routed in readiness for installation. The Nova Caravan roof uses pre-formed curved roof rafters for water runoff, and the roof is then constructed in a similar fashion to the frame. When complete, all roof and wall sections are dried flat to ensure that the adhesive used cure correctly. All Nova Caravans cabinetry is handcrafted by qualified tradesmen and industry professionals using only quality products and state-of-the-art machinery. Handcrafted with over hundreds of years of experience, you will notice the difference when you inspect a Nova Caravan. We use extensively the advanced range of timber products, which offer some exclusive features above most other products. For a neat professional finish on all cupboard apertures, they are fitted with a moulded extrusion. We use only quality lightweight ply materials in all cupboards and bench tops. The latest in technology shows the use of the Italian-made Viesi edge bander preparing our doors and partitions. Attention to detail and precision and accuracy are key factors in all aspects of our exclusive handcrafted designs. With the walls and furniture well underway, the staff at the flooring level are ready to install the walls. First of all, we fit a waterproof plastic edging inside the Z section. We then insert the silicone sealant to ensure that the union between frame and chassis is completely waterproof. The wall frame is then lifted into place. You will notice the reinforced blocking at this stage, which is ready for the installation of external fittings. Once clamped into place, the Z section, the wall is then drilled in preparation for the zinc plated bolts and nylock nuts to secure it to the chassis. With the side walls in place, the front wall is positioned and screwed to the side walls. The galvanised boot is installed in readiness for the building of the van. The aluminium checker plate step is installed. The Nova Caravan is now ready to be built. Here, our master builder with over 30 years of experience measures and marks out for the position of the partitions and furniture. All furniture is screwed from inside to outside and also from outside to inside. Once complete, our overhead cupboards are strong enough to do chin-ups on. All installations are fitted precisely by our trained staff. With the fully moulded fiberglass shower installed, the back wall can now be fitted. Prior to finalising all partitions and fittings, aluminium braces are secured to the outside of the van to ensure that the walls are fully squared. The roof is then ready to be screwed into place. Quality fittings, professional tradespeople and precision are used throughout the entire process. main wiring of the Nova Caravans runs through the pre-positioned trenches. Electrical installations and fit-offs are carried out under the watchful eye of our qualified and certified A-grade electrician. Our plumbers too are fully qualified and all work is guaranteed. Reinforced blocking is used to ensure all structural fittings are secure. All Nova Caravans are fully insulated. We use polystyrene in the walls and insulation bats in the ceiling. The bats we use are manufactured from 100% environmentally friendly polyester, non-irritant, non-toxic and non-allergenic. A heavy-duty reinforced Supergal H-frame is used to ensure the air conditioners will be secured. You will notice the extra outrigger for strength and durability. Precision tooling and machines are used extensively in the preparation for all aluminium products. The Pittsburgh seam machine is used to give a locking watertight finish to the roofing sheets. You will notice one seam up and one seam down. The next stage of construction is the aluminium cladding. We use an exclusive product from Euramax, which manufactures for the large European market. This aluminium is 0.44 grade and the painted finish is a high gloss with a hardened exterior designed for our harsh climate. Exclusive carbon fibre aluminium feature sheets are fitted standard to the Reda range. Each sheet is glued and stapled into place. When routering, all care is taken to keep the van as free from debris as possible. Once routed, all apertures are blown clean. The roof is now prepared using silicone sealants and jointed with the lock seams. The van roof has silicone applied for adhesion and the roof is then expertly fitted and trimmed. With the roof now in place, the front protective shield is now fitted. In this case, it is aluminium checker plate. Expansion joints are fitted above all doors. To ensure the van is fully waterproof, silicone is applied to all edges prior to the capping of the J-mould. The J-mould is then fitted and screwed into place. Every screw is protected with silicone for added waterproof protection and the insert mould is installed. Our Terra Sports models use a composite cladding called Durabond for added strength in off-road conditions. We use a multitude of protective panels on the fronts of our vans, including padded vinyl, aluminium checker plate and our exclusive Pride front moulded ASA. The strength of the moulded ASA is unquestionable. If you tried this test on fiberglass panel, it would end up shattered. Whilst the double glazed polyplastic window is fitted standard to most Nova models, we still use the more traditional Australian made wind out windows. Here you will see the waterproof foam tape being applied prior to fitting along with the silicone sealant. The double glazed polyplastic windows are installed using a rubber waterproof gasket. These windows are ideal for insulation and weatherproofing and come with an Australia-wide manufacturer's warranty. Internally, the polyplastic windows are fitted with a European style blind designed for Australian conditions and offers insect screen and full blockout blind. The finishing process of the Nova Caravan includes many facets. Here you will see preparation for the installation of the Camic Four Seasons hatch. This hatch comprises options for various levels of ventilation, including 220 cubic centimetres of airflow whilst fully closed. At Nova, we use and recommend the Australian-made Air Command reverse cycle air conditioners. Only quality light fittings are used on Nova Caravans. The Camac Trilec door with ample mesh security screen is squared up and fitted. All decals are installed by trained graphic professionals. The Suburban 23 litre gas electric hot water service is fitted and inspected by our plumber. Quality appliances like the Swift and Spring Flow ranges of cooktops are used in all Nova Caravans. The underside of the terrace board shows the plumbing and wiring being protected with aluminium checker plate. The final stages are approaching with the installation and testing of all appliances and fittings. We use only quality brands such as Samsung, Daewoo and Kenwood. Your safety is our priority at Nova Caravans. All standard safety equipment is installed, including smoke alarm, fire extinguisher and temperature limiting valve. As the finishing touches are made, our detailers move through the Nova Caravan to clean and prepare it for delivery. Our upholstery is custom designed from New Line and available in a large variety of colours and fabrics. Roll-out awnings are fitted standard to all Nova Caravans and are fully tested and inspected prior to dispatching the van. Every caravan is weighed individually on a specially designed weight bridge, ensuring that each van has accurate weights and payloads. Final inspections and electrical testing is taken very seriously at Nova Caravans. All caravans are built to Australian design rules, including VSB1, and all Nova Caravans comply with RVMAA's Building Code of Ethics. The dual battery system with fused circuits, bridge rectifier, battery protector, battery charger, surge protector and wire for solar is standard in most models.